what about cross-border? So like Mexico and Canada, what are we seeing in those areas and what do we think it's going to look like the rest of the year?
No, great question. I think from a cross-border standpoint, I know we are getting a lot of inquiries for shipments into Mexico and out of Mexico. So we're doing a lot of studies for customers when it comes to nearshoring and what's that look like, what's my total cost. And we do use tools, and I won't name the specific tools, but we use tools that are used to either source carriers that have already been sourced in Mexico for freight in and out of. So, which has provided us good options to cover those loads and good safe options, because we've even talked about theft and cargo theft and everything else too. But on the cross border, though, I think you'll continue to see that impact on the nearshoring, at least through 2026 and beyond.
Right.